So hey guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Ashish and we are building my website aheadashish.com. This is the third video in the series of building this website. In the first video, we installed WordPress on our domain aheadashish.com on Hostinger. In the second one, we created these pages, the content for our website using ChatGPT, and this is the third video in which we will be completing the build of this website. If you have not watched those videos, those links will be provided to you in the description below and also linked here in the I button. So without any further ado, let us get started with the overview of this website. So first of all, this website has been built over Astra theme, and we have chosen outdoor adventure template from starter templates. This complete website has been put together using all free plugins and free themes. So this is the home page. This is how it will look like. There would be a header section, the hero section, a basic info section, the services I offer, the links to my latest articles, and the footer section. This is the home page. The same thing goes on about the about page, wherein there would be basic details about who I am, my entrepreneurial journey, what I do, and the basic footer. Then coming on to the contact page, there would be my contact information, the follow links. By the way, these links will also be made available on the headers and also in the description. If you want to talk to me about your website project, your DevOps project, or if you are stuck doing some project in which you need my help or any guidance, feel free to contact me. And if you just want to talk about stuff that you want to understand, I'm always there. So this is the landing page of my blog. Fairly simple, fairly basic. So now let's get into building this website. Okay, so we have installed a fresh instance of WordPress and we will be going into our WP admin and we will be putting in our username and password so that we can get inside our WordPress dashboard. Okay, no worries. This is a local instance, so I'm not much worried about my password. Okay, so here we are. First things first, I would like to check if there are any updates, and there are none. So I'll just come here, go on to screen options and remove all these screen elements because I like a clean view of my WordPress dashboard. Okay, so now this is done. I would like to come on to appearances and then to the themes. There will always be the default themes installed by WordPress. What you want to do is come on to add themes and search for Astra. In my case, the Astra is over here. Let us click on install, and once it is installed, we'll click on activate. Okay, so this is installed. Now we'll click on activate. Okay, so this is done. Since Astra has already been activated, we'll click on the other themes and delete them one by one. Okay, so now the only theme that is remaining is Astra. We'll click here on get started with starter templates. This will install a plugin called starter templates onto this WordPress, and it will help us install the template that we'll be using to edit this website. So we want to go ahead with the classic starter templates. So we'll click here on build with templates. And we want to choose Elementor to edit the website. It will take a couple of seconds to sync the templates library. And once it is done, we will go through the template that we want to install. Okay, it is done. Wonderful. So the template that we have used is outdoor adventure. So we'll just click on this and wait for it to load. Now we'll click on continue. And we do not want anything else installed from here, so we just skip this step. I do not want to share any non-sensitive data, and I'll tick on I understand. Let's go. It is saying that it will override all the site settings and the new content. and add new content. So there's nothing on the website right now, so I'm okay with that. But if you do have any content onto your website, don't forget to take the backup. If you don't know how to take a backup, there would be a video here in the I button which will help you take a backup of your WordPress website. So now it is building our website, and it will take a couple of seconds to a minute to set up the complete website. Cool, it is installed. Let us click on Visit Dashboard. Okay, in order to go to the plugins, we need to come over here and click on Installed Plugins. So there is Elementor, Starter Templates, Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor Lite, and WP Forms Lite. Okay, so Starter Templates has done its job. So we'll click on deactivate this and delete this. And we do not want to use WP Forms Lite, so we'll just click on deactivate here as well and delete this. Okay, so the plugins that we'll be using are number one, Elementor, that is already installed here. Number two is Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor Lite. Then the third one is Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Let us click over here and search for Essential Add-ons for Elementor. This is the one with 2 million active installation. Let us click on it. The next one we would require is Fluent Forms. That is Fluent Forms Forms. This is the one with 600,000 plus active installations. Click on install now and wait for it to install. We'll activate all these one by one. Okay, so all the plugins that we would require are currently installed. Let us come on to installed plugins and click on both these and select a bulk action of activate and apply. Okay. No, we do not want to give you any permission to collect information, so we'll skip. We want basic. We want basic. Click on next, next, skip, and finish. So we're done with the essential add-ons, and I believe the Fluent Forms is also activated. So all the plugins that we would require have been installed and activated. And now let us come to the pages. As I've already told you, and here, as you can see in ahedashish.com, there are only 4 pages that we will be setting up. So we'll just come over here and quick edit and set the status of the sample page to draft, the services page to draft, and all the other pages that we would not use to draft, so that if we later want to work on these, we can quickly work from here. And also I would like to remove the privacy policy to draft as well. It is already in draft. Okay, there is a about page, a contact page, a home page, and we also want a blog page. So let us just click on add page and right here blog and click on publish. Okay, this is here. Let me refresh. Okay, here it is. So in order to set the blog page as the blog landing page and the home page as the front page, we'll come on to settings and come on to reading. So we have to set up the home page displays over here as a static page. The home page is already set as home, and the post page will be the blog page that we have just created. And we will just click on save changes, and it is saved over here. Okay, while we're in the settings, we'll just come to general and check all the settings that we want over here. The site title, the tagline, the other things, everything, whatever we want to set over here will be coming here. Okay, so now we will refer back to the pages that we have already installed the content that we have already built using ChatGPT. So I have that content open with me. I'll just copy the details, the site title, tagline, everything, and paste it over here. Okay, the WordPress address, okay, administration email address is okay. Uh, we do not want anyone to register on this since this is not a membership site. The time zone we need to change to Kolkata for my case because I am in India. The date format is okay and the time format is okay, and my week starts on Monday. Let's click on save changes and let us come to permalinks. And we need to make sure that the permalink structure is set to post name and click on save changes, and that's it. We are done with the permalink settings, the general settings, and the other things. The only thing that would be left would be the site icon, which we will be setting up shortly. Okay, while we are at it, let us just update the site icon here. I'll just click on it and upload a file over here. So here it is. Okay, I'm not sure why is this not taking up. Let me just. Now mind, there it is. So what I need is crop ashish.png. Okay. Let me just change it to site and paste it. Okay, this is set as the site icon. Click on save changes and we are done. Okay, so now we need to set up the menu. We'll come over here. Since we have already removed the services and the projects, we'll just click on remove and add the blog to the menu. And just like that, our menu has been updated. Let us come on to the home page and click on refresh. Yes. Home, about, blog, and contact. So now we want to do is we want to edit this header section and make it more like our style. We'll come on to appearance and click on customize. Okay, once it is opened up, we'll click on header like this, and here we can see the primary menu, the site logo, and the button. We'll just grab this primary menu and take it to the mid section, and we'll remove this button, and instead we'll put in social. Okay, let's work on these socials. Let's work on these socials. So the Facebook link is here. I don't have a Twitter link at the moment, so I'll change this to YouTube. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. The link to the channel, it's still the Facebook one. Let me just copy it real quick. Here it is, and the Instagram. Done. So now come to the design. I want the icon color to be white. On the icon color to be white, and I want to set the icon size a bit bigger. Let me see. Yeah, this looks right about okay. Let us click on publish and come on to the site title and logo. We need to change the logo and we need to upload a logo over here. Okay, so let us do this by coming here, This is the logo. Strange. Let us just use this. I'll upload the logo from here. And Ashish. And Ashish logo. We'll just adjust the cropping just like this and click on crop image. This looks good, but I feel like the logo is a bit bigger, but before that we need to change it for the retina ones. Yes, logo width. Okay, let's play around with the logo width. Let's get it a bit smaller. Looks about right. Cool. By the way, we can also change the site icon from here, like we did in the general settings of our website. Let's just click on publish and come over here and give the quick refresh. Okay, looks like the logo is still not changed. Why so? Okay, we need to change it from here as well. Change. Choose image. Choose image and change the width of the logo a bit. I believe we did it 79. Yeah, looks right. Publish and cool. Looks good. Okay, so now what I want to do is create the header. Okay, so in order to create the header, we'll come onto the dashboard and come on to essential. Oh no, the ultimate add-ons and click on header and footer. Now we'll click on add new. We'll give it the name footer. The type of template that we'll be setting it is also a footer. Display on entire website. And that's it. Let's click on publish and edit with Elementor. Click on skip. Now we want a flex box with, okay, let's use this. Yes. Okay. Let's add a container over here. We'll add 4 containers with 25% width and click on duplicate. Now we will add heading onto these. And I need a text editor here as well. Looks about okay. Let me just copy and paste the stuff. Here it is. Now coming to the quick links. Let me just add on a title. Quick links. Quick links. And let me add on a navigation menu. The layout would be oh no, let us not do it this way. Let me add on icons. Icon list. Yeah, this would be easier and much better looking. Okay, so it is outside. Just put it inside. Yes. Okay, so here it is. I do not want any icon over here, but yes, I would like to add on the listing. The home would go onto my home page. Link is home, like this. The second one would be about me. Link would be about. The third one would be blogs, and the link would be to the blog page. And the fourth one, as you guessed it, would be contact me, and the link would be contact. Cool. Looks good. We'll change the look and feel of it. Let us just complete the footer text area once. Okay, so now we want a new header section here with the heading topics I cover. And let us just quickly duplicate this as well, because we can then quickly copy and paste. There won't be any links to the topics I cover at the moment. Just remove this. Second one is what AI tools. Third one is DevOps basics. Fourth one is funnel and marketing. And the fifth one is website building. Right? And the last one is the connect details. Let me just quickly copy this heading and paste it over here. And okay, looks like the block section is not yet changed. Link. The text has been pasted on the links. Okay. Okay, now for the topics I cover, let us just quickly, copy this and paste it over here. Now the topics I cover, it would say, let's, with the sections, first of all is LinkedIn. We will upload a SVG onto this. Upload one, LinkedIn. Okay. Okay, and let us paste the link onto here. LinkedIn is done. Let us do the same for the next one, which is Facebook. Link is done. Text is done. Let us just upload the SVG. Okay. Now coming to the third one, which is YouTube. YouTube. Let us paste in the link here. Let us upload the SVG. from here. This is the YouTube SVG. Let us insert the media. Fourth one is my email. So let us check if we have this in the library. We don't have even the mail thing. That is great in itself. Just upload one. Let's see. No, we don't have. Cool. Very good. Let us use envelope for this. And the last one. Oh, we need to update this as email. Or rather, let us just paste our email ID itself. And the last one would be a WhatsApp number. Here it is. Let us paste this. Okay, let us just publish it once so that it is saved. Now we want to update the background color. We'll click on this and then come to style. Then the background type would be classic. We choose a color. Let us see which color we have. And I have the color code right here with me. Okay, here it is. Okay, let us start styling these. We need to keep it to left aligned. Typography would be, we want the family as Montserrat. Montserrat, the size we need is 16 pixels. And the weight would be 600 as semi-bold. And the text color would be white. Theme color. Looks good. Let us just copy this and right click on to each of the titles and click on paste style. Yeah, so this is done. For the text, we'll come to style. We want it left aligned. We want our text color to be white again. And yeah, the rest all looks good. For the quick links, we'll come to style. Icon, we don't have any icon, so we don't need to worry about that. And for the text, color we'll choose as white. Looks good to me. Let us just click on copy and paste style. Same over here, paste style. Oh, looks like we forgot to put in an icon for our phone. We'll put in another one. Let us use this one. We'll pretend that this is the phone icon. Okay, so let's come over here in style. Over here in icon, you choose the color as white. Okay, yeah, looks good. Let's publish. This is done, and now what we need is we need another container. and we need the same color as this. We just come here, come on to the color. How about this one? This one, let's click on style, background, classic, choose a color, paste it. Now over here, we need to add text editor, and in this text editor, we will write this and this. Let's see. Okay. Let's come on to style, center line it, and the link color would be white. Looks good to me. Okay, we need a divider over here. So let's click on the container, come on to the style, the border, and we do not want it linked. And in the right, we'll give it 1. Does it look okay? Let's see what we missed. No, we have. What about I? Okay, solid. Oh, watercolor would be white again. Let's copy this. Looks like entire photo. Okay. Never mind this. Border width would be 1. That's it. Yeah, let's just copy this and then paste it here. Paste the style. Wrong with this one. Paste style. Never mind, we'll do it manually. Model type solid. What color? We set to white. Same with this one. Style, border type is solid. Border width on the right is 1, and the border color is white. That's it. Looks like we've done it. Yeah, looks good. Let's publish and see over here. I'll just refresh this and see. Yes, this looks cool. I just need to add a bit of padding. Padding onto the bottom. I don't want any padding in the bottom, but in the top I would take like 20 pixels. Let's publish this. Yeah, looks good. Okay, now let us just close it and get to the dashboard. Okay, now since the footer is done, now what we'll do is we'll come on to the pages, all pages, and go on to home page and click on edit with Elementor. Now we'll edit this particular page and let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we need to change the background of this container. We'll click over here, come on to style and change the image. We'll come over here, upload. Here it is. Let's copy and paste this and select. Yeah, looks good. And now we need to change the padding of this. Come on to advanced. The top 270 looks good, but the bottom we will set to 150. And now we will change the text over here. This all text is coming from the content that we have generated in the last video. The link to those videos is in the description. Okay, let's click on publish and come over here and give it a quick refresh. Yes, this looks good. Rather, let us change the image once again. We'll be changing the alt text, the title, the caption, and the description. Yeah, this looks much better. Let us hit on publish. And here and refresh. Yes, looks good. Okay, now let us come to the next section. We will be deleting this section. We'll come here and click on X. This will delete this container. Okay, so for this, we need to just copy and paste the text onto the placeholder. And we do not need this container, so we'll delete this. Yes, and now we'll add an image over here along with the text editor. Cool. So the text for this is here. Here it is, and the image that we will be choosing would be uploaded here shortly. This is the image. And just copy paste it. Let's publish and click on refresh. Let us limit this to a custom one. I want it to be 500 by 450 pixels. Let me hit on apply. Oh, this does not look good at all. Looks good now. Let's hit on publish. And for this, let me just style it to be justified. Better. Okay, so let us come on to the next section in which I'll be setting up the services I offer. So here we will come. Select this container, come on to style, oh, not this one, sorry. These two containers are done. We'll be working on this one. We'll be working on this one. So we'll come over here, choose image, upload one. This is the home page scrolling image over here. Let's just copy it and paste. Select. And we will be changing this to the services I offer. We'll be deleting this. And adding an accordion. For the accordion, we will be putting in the text. Yes, this looks good. Let's add text edit. Let's add text editor here and duplicate it. Put into. No. Let us add one here. text editor, and let us add one here, the text editor, and let us now put in the text that we want to for these particular tabs. Stylize them. So for the header, I want the color to be white, and this is well, give it white. Hover, okay, basic. Okay. For active also, let me just change it to white. Okay, so the header is done, and for the content, let me see it very quick. Yeah, looks good. Now for the styling of the text editor, we just need to come over here and normal text. Just copy it, paste the style, paste the style, and this is done. Let me just click on publish. Come here, refresh. These are the services that I offer. Cool. Now coming to the last section of this page, let me just quickly delete all these, and we'll add a post over here. POST. This is a post grid. Let me see if I have essential add-ons. Yes, I do have essential add-ons. Let me see if it is activated here. Into elements, enable all elements, and then click on save settings. This is done. Let me just quickly come over here, click on publish, and refresh it so that I can have access to all those elements that we have just enabled. Let's click on plus here, POST. Okay, there is a post grid. Okay, so here we are. Cool. So we'll choose a light layout with 3 columns. HTML tag would be in H6. Cool. Okay, so our blog post area is not looking good. Let me just figure out what happened, because this is going all over the place. Let us see the structure, container. Oh, okay, I did not give it a container to go into. Oh, okay, all right. Okay, so I'll just drop in a container in here, and I'll take this blog post and put it inside this container and hit on publish. All right, this is looking good. So whatever other blog posts that we'll submit onto this website will come over here. All right, so looks okay. So our home page is almost done. Let us now come on to the about page. Let me just close it from over here. Come on to pages, all pages, and edit the about page. Okay. Okay, so we are into the about us page. We will start by again changing the image onto this hero section container. We'll come over here, come to upload, and select the about us image. Let us just enter it here. Okay, so it is over here, and let us change the text to about me. Then again, we'll come down and put in my photograph over here. We have already uploaded one. It is this one. Okay, this is done, and now we will change the text. Okay, let us just do it quick. See, this is the benefit of having your content ready with you beforehand. Let us just make it custom. Let's give it 500 by 450. Let's click on apply. Yeah, this looks good. Let me publish it and refresh it over here. Okay, so the banner image has changed. Okay. Okay, now we will delete this particular section because I will be adding in my entrepreneurial journey here. And since this container is at 50% width, I'll give it full width and I'll start pasting my content here. Let me just do it quick. I want to add about my past companies. So I'll add an accordion here, search for accordion and add it here. Okay, so item 1 would be my first company and the name of that company is Ahead Industries Private Limited. Let me just quickly paste it here and we will add a text editor over here like this, and we will just simply copy the content and paste it. Bharti Tata Reliance L&T Government of MP, Government of Bihar, and other major players. That looks good to me. Let me hit publish. Let me check this out. Looking good. Okay, so now let us just come here and add on my other company, that is Cargen Infotech LLP, which is a boutique IT firm. Let me just paste the data into it and let me just copy it once again. And the name of my third company is Ahead Technocrats LLP. Let me just quickly put that in and open it up and copy and paste the content for that one. Okay, so this overall looks good. Let me just come here and click on refresh. Okay, I had Industries Private Limited, Cargill Infotech, and I had Technocrats LLP. Okay, I want to make these things a bit bold, the headers a bit bold. So I'll come on to typography and weight would be semi-bold. Yes. Yeah, these all look good. Cool. Let me just hit on publish and refresh. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so now I want to add a bit about what I am doing today. So I'll just hit on add and a flex box and I will add a heading on to here. I'll just copy this and paste the style. Copy and paste. What is wrong with this? Let me just paste the style from here. Something's not going good. This is the heading. Let me copy. And this is the heading. Let me paste. I'll rather paste the entire thing here and delete this one. Yeah. So the heading is, what do I do today? Then I need to add a text editor under this. So I'll just drag one and put over here. And I've already copied the content for it. And then again, I'll duplicate. Okay, now I'll duplicate this and pull it down. And the data here would be let's connect. And the content under there would be in a text editor. Data would be here. Let us hit on publish. Let us refresh. Cool. We're done with the about page. This gap looks a bit off to me. Come here, advanced, there's no margin left here. Okay, yes, there is a bottom margin of 100 pixels. I'll keep it at 40 and hit on publish so that this gap lessens a bit. Yes, looking good. Cool. So now let us just close this. We have installed Fluent Forms. We'll come to the forms and the contact form demo here. We'll just click on edit. Okay, so we do not need the last name. We need the full name. And field name is name. And we'll hide the label. The name field would be name. Same for the label placement for all the others. The email, okay. For the subject, we'll hide label. For message, again, we will hide the label. Okay, this looks good. And let's change this from submit form to just submit. Let us save this form. Now let us go back. Let us change the name of this form. That is the contact form demo. We'll come onto this. Okay, we'll come over here and change it from contact form to contact form demo to contact form. So this is done. Let us save the page, save the form. Okay, if your server does not have proper SMTP setup, you will need to set it up, because otherwise your forms will not be, forms entry will not be sent over to your email as a notification. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to come here into settings, into email notifications, and add a notification. You can give it any name. I'll give new notification on Ahead Ashish. Then you need to choose this email where you want to send this email to. Say, for example, I need it for myself. I will write in my email ID. Subject would be new form submitted on aheadashish.com. And I want all the data over here. So I'll come over here, add shortcodes, come down and click on all data. All right, and I'll click on save notification. Okay, so email notification is done. Now what I need to do is I need to come to just a second. I just need to come to the form. Okay. Yeah, it is here. So now what we need to do is we need to do global settings. We need to come over here under security. You need to set up reCAPTCHA for your website's form. Otherwise, there would be a lot of bot entries and you will get a bit puzzled by the notifications and the entries in your forms. Okay, so first of all, we need to change the banner image here in contact page. The image would be this, the contact page banner. Okay, this is done. Let me just quickly change the text here, which would be let's connect. And okay, this looks good, but we need to change it a bit. So we need a flex box, and inside this, we will need a container. We will add a container here, and inside this container, we need two more containers because one will have the contact info. Okay, so we can just call this in, and the other one would be our other. Let's just add a container here. I'll show you how to make this. All right, we'll have one container inside the container, which will be 100% this container, and then there is this container. Let us make it a grid, which would a grid with two columns. I do not want any grid line and just one row. Okay, two containers, one is this and one is this. Okay. Now I will add a container into this. Oh, yes, I'll add a container into this, which will have a heading with the details of contact info. Here it is. And then under that, it will have icon boxes. Icon box. Let's delete this. Email me. My email ID. Tag. Copy. Yeah, looks good. Spacing. Okay, I don't need any spacing as such. Okay, I will take this at the center. Let me just duplicate this. And for the other part would be WhatsApp me. Plus 1 right, and then let us duplicate this. It will say okay, and now I will add social icons here. Okay, the links to my social icons. Here. Circles, and I need the colors to be custom. Primary color would be this. All right. Facebook looks okay. Now let us go to the YouTube one. This is the color. Change it to YouTube. Oh, I did have this one with this, and this is the one. Media, okay, here it is. And I need to paste in the link. Here is the link. For LinkedIn, we will change it from here to. Oh, and I need to upload this as well. This is the one that I'll be using. Okay, color would be custom. Okay, this looks good. All right, let us click on publish. I want my wait. I have a container, then I grid. All right, all right. So I'll just select this one because I need the background to be not this, too dark. All right. So I need to change the color of the text to all white. Same over here. Color, style, content, color. Just for good measure, let's change this as well. Okay, let's run publish. And here I want to search form and then Fluent Form. Just pick it up, drop it here, and select the form, which was the contract form demo form. Okay, so for styling, the submit button, the background color would be from the theme, that is the theme color 1. Let us just delete this one and put on a bit of padding onto the top, say about 60. Yeah, looks good. And bottom, say 40. Yeah, this all looks good to me now. Let me just hit on publish. Let us see here. This is looking good, but I need to add a bit of padding until here. Like for this, I need a bit of padding on the top, say 25. So this looks good to me. Did it not save? Where is it did? Okay, and we need to add a small heading here as well. Let me just add it. Okay, I forgot to put in another container here. Silly me. We need to put everything inside here. The text is ready. Looks good to me. Let us click on refresh. Need to pull it down a bit more. So top padding could go to now 75. Let's refresh. Yeah, looks good. So let us open the home page. Okay, we are not done with the posts. So let us just now come over here and click on all posts. We'll quickly trash this and add a post. The content for these posts have been generated again using ChatGPT, but the generation process would be the same as the ones in the earlier video, but the content was not generated over a video. So sorry for that. I'll just start adding the content. Let me just quickly copy and paste the title, and rather I can just copy and paste everything. Copy and paste. Okay, so I have this over here, and for the post we have a cool little image that we need to upload. It's top free tools. This one, the web P1. Let me just copy and paste it over here. Hit on publish, and view this. Yes. So now what we need to do is we need to change it into a category, like this is written uncategorized. So we'll just click on here and we'll click on categories and add a category. The name of this category would be security and performance. Okay, so let us remove this. And while we're at it, let us add a few more categories. One is AI tools for WordPress. And another one is WordPress tutorials. Okay, so this is under security and performance. So let us uncheck the other two and click on save and click on refresh over here. Okay, so the uncategorized has been changed to security and performance. Okay, like you see over here, leave a comment. We do not want people to leave a comment onto our post, so we'll be removing this feature. But before that, let us just quickly go to the dashboard and okay, sorry, quickly add on a couple more. Copy and paste the title and the entire blog. Here it is. Let's come on to post. This is under AI for WordPress, since this is named how to build a WordPress site 10 times faster using AI tools. We'll give it a featured image as well. And the name of this featured image is how to build a WordPress site using AI tools. Let me just quickly copy and paste it onto the alt text, the caption, into the caption, and into the description. This is done for better SEO. Let's set this up. Category is done. All right, let's hit publish. Yes, and close this. So for the next one, the name is how I use ChatGPT to write blog posts for my WordPress website. Let's just click copy and paste. Same thing will follow for this one. We'll give it category and set a featured image. How I use ChatGPT. Over here. Just copy, paste in all text, caption, and description. Set it up, hit publish. Close this. Let us move to another one. It is getting started with WordPress. So let's come over here. This is under WordPress tutorials. Let us set a featured image. Let us upload one. And the name would be getting started with WordPress. You guys can see that this is all under WebP extension. So this is a fairly light image. You'll just hit on publish, close this, and move to the next one. You see how easy it is? Let me set a featured image. Let me upload one. Best truly free AI writing tools for WordPress. Just quickly copy and paste this, and this is under AI tools for WordPress. Hit on publish, publish. Let's close this and move on to the final one. Since this is the sixth one, I have been keeping count. Cool. Let us do it here. Come on to posts. This will come under WordPress tutorials. And let us set a featured image. Let us upload one. 10 common WordPress mistakes. Here it is. Copy and paste. Set a featured image and publish it. Publish, come on, fast. Cool. Okay, so now let us come on to the website's front page and see. Yep, here are a few which are over here. Let us come on to the blog. All right, we need to change it a bit, but overall it is looking just like the one on ahadashish.com. Let us come on the blog. But all in all, it is looking good. Okay, so here are 6. Let me just come here onto the home page. Click on edit with Elementor. Click on this. Post per page. We'll come over here and we'll give it 10. Or rather 9, since there are only 3 updates. Okay, so this looks good, but I do not want to show my name over here. I had Ashish, since it is pretty obvious that these are written by me. Let us remove this. Get the export. 10. No, I need at least 25 words. Cool. The title length as 25, 22. Looks good. Looks good. All right. Looking good. Let us style it a bit. Okay, this looks good to me now. Let me just open up ahadashish.local. Yeah, this is looking okay. Yeah, I see the difference here. I need to lessen up the size. That is just yeah, 16 looks good. That is spacing also looks good. Now about excerpt. Let's come here. Everything is cool, but we need to work on the line height. Is the same. Looks same to me. Okay, and there is one heading here. Let it go. Okay. And what does it read? Read my latest articles. Ooh. Click on publish. It is this. Yeah. This is more or less the same. Okay, so guys, this is how you would create a website similar to this. If you have any questions about the entire process, feel free to drop me a comment or drop me a WhatsApp or an email. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel because that means a lot to us. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.